Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix your cannot receive calls on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Click on do not disturb and make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library and go back, reinsert SIM card, remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning, again insert SIM tray. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.